The one stock I wish I held for the last 3 years, it's not one you would have thought. You're probably thinking NVIDIA and the others. Actually, it's one of the ones that we had from our 2023 approved list. But because we're holding over 12 months and there's a lot of stocks which you could actually own, it's not one which I held beyond that 12-month period. It was sterling. Now, why do I say sterling, given that obviously in 2023 it did happen to go up 168%? Why did I not say NVIDIA, which went up 238 and so on? Well, actually, because the NVIDIAs of the world are quite easy to hold on to, and we did hold on to that, and it did fairly mediocre, actually, NVIDIA over the last 12 months or so. Unlike sterling, which just continued going upwards. Of course, hindsight's a lovely thing. We should have held on even longer. But let's be clear about the limits of how much we know. We didn't know sterling would go up 168%. It's the few which do incredibly well, which will make up for the inevitable few, which will be disappointing, just like a classroom of students or players in a football team. You will not get them all doing triple-digit gains, because if you did, you would, of course, only pick the one stock. If you want to have the approved list and be on the Great Investments Program and get access to the data and the hand-holding, not as a tip sheet, but for portfolios, model portfolios, which can be then used through our education by you, then go to the link up there. I hope to see you on the program and many more sterling infrastructures to come.